If you ever felt like your body's aging faster than it should be, or you're feeling inflamed, exhausted, foggy, or constantly fighting something, there is a strong chance oxidative stress is involved. And if you're dealing with uterine fibroids, it's no longer just involved, it's actually active. I'm Martin Benjamin, certified Master Herbalist and Functional Nutritionist, with 20 years of experience in women's reproductive wellness. Welcome back to the A to Z of fibroids, where I break complex topics down in a way that actually makes sense. Today, I'm going to be covering oxidative stress to simplify it. You see, every single day, your body produces molecules called free radicals, and they're unstable and reactive. And in small amounts, they are normal. But when free radicals outnumber your body's ability to neutralize them, that's oxidative stress. So think of it like an internal rusting. Oxidative stress damages cells, protein, lipids, DNA, and even hormone receptors. And when that damage accumulates, inflammation rises, tissue behavior changes, and abnormal growth becomes more likely, including fibroid growth. Fibroids are not just hormonal tumors, they are inflammatory oxidative tumors. Research has shown constantly women with high levels of oxidative stress are more prone with women with uterine fibroids than women without it. So here's why that matters. Oxidative stress stimulates abnormal smooth muscle cell proliferation. It damages DNA repair mechanisms. It disrupts mitochondrial function, increases inflammatory signaling, impairs hormone receptor sensitivity. This means estrogen effects becomes amplified, progesterone signaling becomes weaker, and detox systems struggle to keep up. Now let's talk about where oxidative stress comes from. You got chronic stress, poor sleep, blood sugar instability, processed food, environmental toxins, alcohol, smoking, chronic inflammation, low antioxidant intake, iron overload, even intense emotional trauma. It's not just one thing, it's incremental. Most people don't realize that even detox works creates oxidative stress. And I'll tell you how. When your liver breaks down hormones and toxins, it produces a reactive byproduct along the way. So if you don't have enough antioxidant, this byproduct can cause inflammation and cellular damage. So remember, blood sugar and insulin, glucose spikes increases oxidative stress. Remember iron, unbounded iron can generate oxidative damage when it's not properly regulated. Remember stress and cortisol. Chronic cortisol elevation increases oxidative binding. It's all connected. Your body does have a defense system. It produces antioxidants like glutathione, superoxide dismutase, and catalase. And to get additional antioxidants from foods like vitamin C and E, polyphenols, flavonoids, and carotenoids. But here's the problem. If the load is too high or nutrients intake is too low, the antioxidant defense system becomes overwhelmed. And when that happens, fibroid tissue receives stronger growth signals because oxidative stress doesn't just damage tissue, it activates growth pathways. This is why shrinking fibroids isn't just about blocking estrogen, it's about lowering oxidative burden, reducing inflammatory food, stabilizing blood sugar, supporting liver detox, sleeping deeper, moving the body with exercise, managing your stress, increasing antioxidant intake like berries, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, citric fruit, and anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric with black pepper. Healing requires shifting the internal environmental from pro-growth to pro-repair. So, if you're serious about shrinking your fibroids naturally, you have to keep it real with yourself. As to whether you're doing what it takes to reduce your oxidative load, or are you fueling it? That's a serious question. Listen, you know my motto. Share this, save this. Follow me for more A to Z of fibroid.